Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to equip coatings in Monster Hunter World. Coatings are important because they change how your bow deals damage, applies status effects, or boosts power. First, make sure you are using a bow since coatings only work with bows. During a hunt, hold Control to open the item bar. You will see all available coating just above your main item selection. Use your up or down scroll keybind and select one of your available coatings. Mine are the mouse side buttons. Once selected, equip the coating by using the down scroll key. This icon will appear once you've successfully equipped the coating. Keep in mind that not all bows are the same. If a coating is grayed out, this means your bow does not support that coating type. And that's how to equip coatings in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.